Hey everyone, welcome back. Did a tutorial bubble pop up in Atlas Earth and now none of the buttons on the screen work? You can zoom the map but nothing else responds. Here's the fix. The UI freeze is triggered by a tutorial overlay that appears but does not complete its dimensional animation, leaving the buttons underneath technically visible but locked behind the overlay layer. The most reliable fix is to force close the Atlas Earth completely from your recent apps and reopening it fresh. In most cases, the tutorial overlay clears on a fresh session and all buttons respond normally again. If the freeze comes back every time you open the app, go to your settings, then go to General, iPhone Storage, scroll down to the list of apps and find Atlas Earth, then offload the app. After offloading it, go to the App Store and then search for Atlas Earth. Once you find it, tap on it and tap Get to reinstall it completely fresh. After reinstalling, let the tutorial complete fully without tapping away from it early, since interrupting it mid-sequence is what commonly triggers the freeze in the first place. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen the app. The tutorial overlay clears, offload and reinstall if it keeps happening, and let the tutorial finish completely the next time. Subscribe.